All right, here's our SSQSC circuit board over here, connected through a 10-foot length of 3-conductor cable, plugged into an old Samsung Galaxy S4 cell phone. And it is playing an MP3 file of 5 kilohertz right now. And as you can see, the LEDs on the circuit board are lit. And it is producing, as you can see on the oscilloscope here, a good clean waveform. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit tighter. It's producing a good waveform. At this point, the cell phone is producing 1.36 volts peak to peak. That's with the cell phone turned wide open at 5 kilohertz. Now I could grab the cell phone and lower the level. You'll see the yellow trace go down. And I'm all the way down to 280 millivolts at this point. It's still working fine. That's 180 millivolts, 140, 120, 80 millivolts, and it's still producing it. So it works at a very low level. Anyway, let's crank the level back up a bit here. Okay, we're back up now. And I'm going to switch to a different frequency band here. Let me pause the camera for a minute. Running a waveform at 15 kilohertz. And this old cell phone is quite amazing. It has a very, very wide range of frequencies. The highest it will go with an MP3 file is 20 kilohertz. With a wave file, it'll go to over 23,000, but my frequency generator program stops at that point to generate the file, so I can't tell how much higher it goes. Let me play a different file for you here. Let's go down to... Let's drop down a lower frequency here, shall we? Here's a frequency of 20 hertz. I'm going to slow it way down there. We're now running at 20 hertz. And you might think that would be the lowest you can go, but no, that's not actually correct. We can go down to 10 hertz. And if that's not low enough, we can go down to 5 hertz. In fact, we can go all the way down to 1 hertz, 1 cycle per second. And as you can see, if I back up here the other way here, back up, you can see that the LEDs on the board are still flashing nicely. So it's at this point the unit's putting out about 360 millivolts from the cell phone, but that's more than adequate to drive it. And actually, it goes down. It will go down to even lower than that. So that old cell phone works. So basically, the SSQSC board works quite well with a cell phone, and that's what it's designed for. It takes that sine wave and turns it into a very nice, clean square wave.